Hey guys, welcome out to the shop. Just wanted to do a kind of a quick video here on my Corsair. I got it finished. It's weathered as much as I'm going to weather it for right now. I still have to add my decals on the side on the cowling. I got to put the kill marks up there, but it came out pretty good. I'm sure I've said this a million times. This is the top flight giant scale Corsair, built from kit. Got Robart retracts. I got a Warbird Pilot's pilot in there. It's powered by a DLE 61. I got the rear exhaust, or not the rear exhaust, but the true turn wraparound muffler. And so yeah, it's done. And hopefully they're going to take it out and get it flown this weekend. I've already done the maiden flight, and we did 2 other flights afterwards, and those went real well. So we're getting ready to take her out this weekend. And then we got the big event, Winter Warbirds, coming up here on the 25th and 26th, so we're gonna have it out for that. So but yeah, it's been a kind of a long road on this one. These big ones take a lot longer, but here's my cockpit. You can see my pilot and the gun sight. And yeah, so that's it, folks. And hope to get some videos posted of it flying and landing. So all right, that's it guys, later.